Talk about some numbers now. Ludlow Jute reported a good set of numbers. Ajay Todi, the MD of the company, joins us on the phone line to talk about that. Mr. Todi, good morning. The growth on the top line has been quite strong at 24%. What led to that, and what do you think the growth could be over the next couple of quarters?
Well, good morning. We basically focused on capacity utilization and value addition. So we've been able to utilize our capacities better. Production is up this year, and also in terms of value-added products, in terms of looking at technical fabrics and looking at food-grade jute bags, that has helped us to increase the volumes.
Okay. What is your capacity utilization, Ajay?
Well, in the jute industry, capacity utilization varies depending on the kind of product. So the tonnage doesn't actually give you the right picture. What we've looked at is that
Scope for more capacity utilization. Is there scope for repeating your revenue run rate of 25%?
In terms of the growth rate, I would say that it is also driven by the fact that raw jute prices have been higher. So it is driven, and also volumes. Our volumes are higher by about 25%, which has given us the growth. But to some extent, this growth is also driven by the fact that selling prices have gone up.
So on a base of 350 crores of revenues that you're sitting on in FY16, what kind of growth do you forecast for FY17?
At present, we are not looking at very big numbers. We are consolidating, and our focus is on improving efficiency so that the bottom line improves.
Okay, let me look at then the EBITDA itself. EBITDA, the run rate appears to be about 4 crores. So is that what you will do for FY17, or will you do more than 4 crores a quarter? As well, margins, would it be stagnating around 3.5–4%, or will even that improve?
I would imagine that we should be doing slightly better than that.
Give us some indication. EBITDA would be what, 20 crores?
It is such a volatile business, I would not have had a guess, but I would imagine it would be better.
But how is the demand situation currently? I mean, how is the business environment? Has it improved a lot compared to what we've seen in the last 6–8 months?
Well, the business environment in the jute industry is depends on how you want to look at it. We have a passion for jute. We believe that it's a good fabric, and we believe that we are there in the long run in this industry, and we work ethically, and that gives us an edge in terms of the markets, because people believe that when they buy from us, they get the best product.
Ajay,
that is what is keeping us going.
Sorry, Ajay, debt and receivables have gone up, and cash has gone down. That's a spot of bother. Will you be able to service the debt? Why are the receivables rising, and rising how? 17 crores has become 25 crores.
These are very healthy receivables. These are very healthy receivables because I think we were able to have these are receivables that will get cleared up. In fact, the institution is we already received most of that in the first week of April. So the receivables is not a worry at all. And in terms of the working capital, the increase in debt, basically we buy our jute where we've been able to pay upfront. So basically that is the difference. If you see that in terms of trade payables has gone down, and so the debt has gone up. That's a 15 crore contra right away.
Okay. Well, as we speak, the stock is surging, so we should look at the intraday chart of Ludlow Jute. It's now up almost about 6.5%. If you can just tell us a little more about what kind of products you're looking at launching, say, over the next 6 to 12 months. You have stuck to conventional products like tea bag cloths, sacking cloths, etc. But any new launches that you would be looking at to diversify?
Yeah, we are adding a whole range of value-added products. We're looking at some consumer-oriented products also. So you would see us in the space where we're looking at products that the public can use. So some of these products will come in the next 6 months.
All right. Ajay Tori, it was a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you very much for joining us with your analysis of your company's performance and the future prospects. Ludlow Jute has been a standout performer in terms of a one-year performance of the stock, and the numbers should have warmed the hearts of people who hold that stock.